Today, I'm going to demonstrate. Now, we're going to mix this directly into our highball glass because there's only a couple ingredients involved here. So we're going to start by adding our ice right into our highball. And then we're going to pour in our base ingredient, which is going to be a vodka. We're going to do 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces, your choice. Depends on how generous you want to be. So we're going to go 6 to 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 will give us our desired pour. From there, we're going to want to add in our club soda, pretty much to the top of that, just like so. And then we're going to top the rest of it off with orange juice. Kind of looks like a screwdriver, kind of is a screwdriver, except you're adding in the club soda component, which is going to make it a little lighter of a cocktail. Now, obviously, with the ingredients, your best bet is going to be an orange, but I like to flag it. And when you hear the industry term flag, all that means is an orange slice with a cherry speared through the top of it. And that is going to be how you make a Handball Cooler, a drink that you'll undoubtedly enjoy, perfect for a hot day.